Where are your teeth located?
Mouth.
Which of the following is junk food?
Pizza.
What should we use while sneezing?
Handkerchief.
Rearrange the letters to find a sense organ.
Ear.
What grows on a tree?
Fruits.
Which animal is known for its ability to change color?
Chameleon.
We touch things with our
Skin.
Which is our natural satellite?
Moon.
We should throw waste in a
Dustbin.
What do plants need to grow?
Light.
What do we wear to protect our eyes from the sun?
Sunglasses.
How many legs does an insect have?
Six.
Which of these is small?
Ant.
What animal says, moo?
Cow.
What do we use to see our reflection?
Mirror.
What sound does a cat make?
Meow.
Which is the purpose of the telephone?
Talk to people.
Where is your elbow located?
Arm.
How many fingers does a human have on both hands?
Ten.
Which bird is wise and comes out at night?
Owl.
How many hearts does a human have?
One.
Rearrange to find something we drink.
Water.
Which animal eats plants?
Deer.
Which is a sound made by a duck?
Quack.
How many knees does a human have?
Two.